Green spaces are really, really important to people. If we don't get enough nature, we suffer from it. Nature is just fundamental to our, not just our physical health, but our mental health as well.
We really started some forestry work talking to all the different land managers along the Mississippi Rivers National Park and really hearing that we're losing all of this canopy due to the emerald ash borer, but folks aren't totally sure what to be replacing it with. What's going to be right in 50 years? What's going to be the right compilation of species?
Some of the changes that we are experiencing here include the severity of heavy rain events. Winters will be shorter, and that will allow some insects and other pathogens to become more problematic than they have been previously.
We reached out to some researchers, other land managers, and have become the first urban affiliate of the Adaptive Silviculture for Climate Change project, which we're standing in right now.
I remember a lot of visits out here where we're walking around and seeing these dying ash and wondering, how do we move this from what it is to this future forest?
Plant for the Future campaign is about planting multiple species of trees in the floodplain, getting some of that diversity and resilience back there. We can see which trees grow the best, what survives in this environment that has changed so much.
This year was really exciting in particular because we knew we wanted to plant the Adaptive Silviculture for Climate Change research plots. In the middle of a pandemic, we still were able to pull about 200 volunteers coming out in groups of 10 to get these 1,200 trees planted in this research plot. And it was like the most massive volunteer and environmental stewardship project I've ever been a part of.
There's not a better organization in my mind than coming and working with Mississippi Park Connection, who's basically on the forefront of trying to figure out what's going to be sustainable here in the years to come.
We love our volunteers. We get somewhere around 5,000–6,000 volunteers every year helping out in the national park.
This is an amazing group to work with. It truly is, and it's a group of people who care so deeply about this space, about Minnesota, and about these future forests and what they look like. The space that had so many dead trees, to see it move into something where these are going to be the trees of the future is really exciting.